हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। आज हम इस एडिटोरियल को लेके आए हैं आपका इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। इस एडिटोरियल में जो भी न्यू वर्ड्स या हार्ड वर्ड्स मिलते हैं उसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ताकि आपको आसानी से समझ में आ जाए और नेक्स्ट टाइम आप भी इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपना डेली लाइफ पे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक, फायर ऑन वाटर्स। पानी में आग, फायर ऑन वाटर्स। ऑन इंडिया एंड मैरीटाइम एक्सीडेंट्स, बात करते हैं भारत और समुद्री दुर्घटनाएं से, एक्सीडेंट से। इंडिया's maritime firefighting capabilities are standing up to the test. India's maritime firefighting capabilities are standing up to the test. The Indian coast needs to be protected against three types of major peacetime maritime accidents involving merchant ships. यहाँ involving है merchant ships मतलब व्यापारिक ships, sinking of merchant ships, causing the loss of cargo, disruptions of maritime traffic and environmental damage, fire on board merchant vessels that can seriously threaten not just the environment but also life and property on the coast, and oil spills. The recent fire on board MB1 है 503 that started with explosions when the ship was some 44 nautical miles off the Ajikal coast in Kannur, Kerala on June 9 has been successfully controlled now. अब ये कंट्रोल हुआ है. Photographs of the ship showed a cocktail of smoke of brown, white, grey and black colors billowing out, indicating that many substances were burning. इससे पता चल रहा है कि बहुत सारे substances जल रहे थे. The cargo manifest showed that more than 140 of the 1,754 containers had various types of hazardous cargo. माल की सूची से पता चला कि 1,754 कंटेनरों में से 140 से ज़्यादा में विभिन्न प्रकार के खतरनाक सामान भी थे. Coast Guard officials report that the rigging one had started drifting dangerously towards the coast even as firefighting was on and the sea remained raw under monsoon conditions. Next. A tow rope was passed. Tow rope का मतलब होता है जिससे हम पुल करते हैं. A tow rope was passed on to the ship, but it snapped. लेकिन ये टूट गई. An Indian Navy helicopter flew in to airdrop a salvage team and pass a wire rope that was made of steel, जो कि बना हुआ है स्टील से, which was then used to tow the ship. Tow मतलब खींचना, पुल करना. To tow the ship 45 nautical miles away from the coast where the depth is nearly 1 kilometer. इसका जो डेप्थ था, गहराई था, ये लगभग 1 किलोमीटर था. The owner of the vessel fished in by commandeering tasks through their agents. One does not pose an immediate danger to the Indian coast now. Smoke is still seen. Smoke अभी भी दिखा जा रहा. Smoke is still seen from the ship and there are hot spots. But it is now up to the ship owner to salvage the vessel after completely putting out the fire. Putting out मतलब उसको जलने से बुझा देना. Vessels after completely putting out the fire. Most of the patrol vessels, the workhorse of the Coast Guard, are now fitted with firefighting equipment. Since firefighting is a key mandate of the agency. While hazardous cargo on containers are indeed a major fire hazard, a more severe fire hazard is oil. यहाँ पे सबसे खतरनाक जो था वो था ऑयल. कंटेनरों में लदे खतरनाक माल से जहां वाकई आग लगने का बड़ा खतरा होता है, वहीं तेल से आग लगने का खतरा और भी ज़्यादा गंभीर होता है. While hazardous cargo on containers are indeed a major fire hazard, a more severe fire hazard is oil. Gas-carrying merchant ships are perhaps the greatest fire and explosion hazards. Nightmare scenarios that can bring the world to its knees involve gas carrier accidents at choke points such as the Suez Canal or the Strait of Malacca of Singapore. In 2020, the Indian Coast Guard and Navy successfully put out a massive fire. In 2020, the Indian Coast Guard and Navy successfully put out मतलब बुझा देना, put out a massive fire that broke out of Colombo on the very large crude carrier New Diamond, chartered by the Indian Oil Corporation. The VLCC was carrying 270,000 tons of crude oil and bound for Paradip in Odisha. These ships were structurally intact despite week-long interference is a testament. Testaments मतलब proof है, सबूत है. As much to the maritime firefighting capabilities of India as the advanced design, materials, and construction of the ships. Quick salvage of sunk ships and fighting oil spills, which require quick, extensive, and close multi-agency coordination, are the other areas where India needs to build and demonstrate more expertise.